video, we would be solving this part B, which says, recall that Ralph's preferred lunch time is 12 noon. But he is willing to eat at another time if the food is sufficiently cheap. Draw sum of the red indifference curve for Ralph that would be consistent with his choosing to eat at 11 a.m. Now let's first see at 11 a.m. what is the amount of money he is left for other stuff. At 11 a.m. he is eating 1 hour before lunch. So he is operating at a scenario of 12 minus t. You do not recall where I am getting 12 minus t. I have discussed this entire thing in very much detail in my previous video, which corresponds to part A of this particular question. You can always refer to that video. And from here, I was able to get my consumption bundle would be 12 minus t, comma 10 plus t. T is the hours before he is eating the lunch compared to 12 noon. In this particular case, he is eating 1 hour before lunch or 1 hour before noon. So t takes the value of 1. So substituting the value of t into this consumption bundle, I would be able to get my desired consumption bundle. That would be 12 minus 1, comma 10 plus 1, which is nothing but 11, comma 11. So which would lie here. Now I have to find all combinations of time and money passes through this point and is tangent budget line. Now note that in the question, this is given to us that Ralph prefers to eat at lunchtime. That means preference direction is this, that the closer he is to 12 noon, the higher level of satisfaction he is getting. Also, it is given that he is willing to eat at another time if the food is sufficiently cheap. That means he also likes to have more money left with him after eating lunch. That means his preference direction is this. So considering the simple convex preference scenario, your indifference curve would look like this. This simple U curve, which is passing through the point 11, 11, is just tangent to the budget line. Now, similarly, the same thing is happening after 12. What happens is, after 12, again he prefers to eat the closer to noon. So his preference direction changes in this direction. But also, he likes to have more money left with him after eating lunch. So, this is his preference direction. As more the money, that would be giving him higher level of satisfaction. So, this is a preference direction. So, considering these two as his preference direction for this particular scenario, his indifference curve would look like this. This entire U is his final indifference curve. Is nothing but symmetrical around the line t is equal to 12. Optimal position, for that your optimal position is where the indifference curve is tangent to the budget line. So here your indifference curve is tangent at 11 a.m. Also it would be tangent at 1 p.m. So he can either choose to consume at 11 a.m. or at 1 p.m. So that was all for this video.